Hello there, Denobi2 here. Welcome once again to a visual tour. Not so much a visual tour, it feels more of a rant this time. I want to talk about the Iron Man 2 Whiplash Mark II Hot Toys diecast figure that will be coming out April 15th, 2015 of next year. And what's really interesting about this figure is that it is part of the diecast collection. And when I saw the figure last year at Comic Con, it blew me away. You know, the price on it is going to be $3.99, so it's going to be another pretty penny. What I've noticed in the blogs, that seems to be bugging a lot of the hot toy communities, is this head sculpt here, this turtle protruding thing here. His helmet did not, I guess, lift up like that in the film, from what I can remember anyway. You know, for $3.99, you kind of expect top-notch quality from Hot Toys. Considering that the figure is including, it is going to include the foot clamps. If they're going through that much work and detail to add the actual foot clamps, which that part was seen in the movie, it doesn't really make sense why you would include the actual head sculpt that was shown in the movie. So maybe they might include it. Who knows? It's not going to stop me from getting the figure. I think it's a gorgeous figure. But let me know what you guys think. I want to read your comments. Let me know if you guys are going to go and get it. On a different quick note here, I do want to let the community know that I'm still working on the Hulk Loki Avengers prison pod. Construction is taking a little bit longer than normal, and this is expensive. There's a lot of labor involved, and I thought I would kind of show you guys a quick snapshot here that I am serious. This isn't a joke. I am going to unveil this, and it's going to be pretty neat. So I'm kind of working out the detail because when I enclose the Hulk in it, I want it to look pretty impressive for you guys. So thanks a lot. Like, subscribe, leave your comments below, and let me know what you guys think.